Hey, it's Monday, August 2nd on the Soul Sister channel. My name is Kat, and I've got your astrological forecast for today. But first, we are going to become balanced, aligned, and connected with our higher selves by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. Third breath. On this third breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the negativity and darkness flowing right out of our bodies. It's being replaced by this beautiful white light that not only fills our entire bodies with white light, but then it goes out and forms a protective bubble around us. And this bubble is deflecting all evil, low vibration, all negativity right back to its source. While we're in this space of white light connected with our higher self, we are going to say our Leo affirmation: I am part of all I see, and all I see is part of me. Let's say it together, and we'll stay in this space of white light connected with our higher selves for 5 seconds. Let's say it together now. I am part of all I see, and all I see is part of me. Great work. Now, if anyone needs any assistance with their meditation, I still do. I have that guided meditation out for the Sun in Leo. It's about 15 minutes long. You can find it on my playlist at the Soul Sister on the Soul Sister channel. What I want to talk to us about today on this Monday, we still have the lingering energy from yesterday. I don't know if you watched the channel yesterday, but we have this Mercury in Leo opposing Saturn in Aquarius. And we talked about this Saturn in Aquarius being the Aquarian energy coming in, new energy, forcing us to make changes in our life that better reflect and align with this Aquarian energy. And this Saturn in Aquarius is really being dinged. It's really intensified. And like I said yesterday, we might be experiencing some outer world challenges that make us so uncomfortable, whether that is in a relationship, a job, or a project we're working on, a situation, makes us so uncomfortable that we have to make a new choice. We have to change direction. So be aware of that. That energy is hanging in the background, and we're very into clinging to what our beliefs, our ethics, our morals. And I say the word cling because are we clinging on to outmoded beliefs and morals just because they're more comfortable? We can default to that and we don't have to be responsible. You know what I'm saying? So let's be very aware of the energy continuing today, and what it's requiring us to do is to really be conscious in all our interchanges. Make sure that we're listening. Make sure that we're being objective and looking at the entire picture and not being focused just on ourselves and what we think is best, in our opinion. We have to be open-minded. If we are open-minded and flexible, we might experience a little success. So we have that energy going on, continuing today. We also have this delightful energy for Monday and Tuesday. Venus in Virgo trine Uranus in Taurus. So looks for some shakeups in our relationships. This may bring about, and this is Monday, and it's going to carry on, and it's today, and it's going to carry on until tomorrow. So we might encounter a very improbable relationship that we weren't expecting. That might happen. The focus is on our intimate relationships, so it's going to be on with our best friend or with our spouse, partner, lover. That's this energy. So this energy is it's non-traditional. So we're going to be attracting new relationships if some of us are open to that. New relationships that are, like I said, improbable, but man, they're really cool. We never thought of that before. We never looked at that before, but here it is. So very interesting people coming into our lives. If we do have a relationship, or if we're beginning a relationship, that relationship during this time, all of a sudden it might move to the next level just like that in the next couple of days. Everything is moving and getting balanced and aligned. Also, a great energy for new friendships, new work relationships. It's also a great energy for opportunities. However, with all of that, what I'm talking about, the energy is a trine. It's 120 degrees. It's very easy. It's flowing nice. All the energies are getting along very nicely. The only problem is for us to change and take different directions and realign and reinvent ourselves. It usually comes with a very uncomfortable event that forces us, like the energy that we're working on continuing from yesterday. This energy is very different. This trine energy, if we don't grab onto that opportunity, it's going to be gone. It's not going to come out and grab us and say, hey, look at me, great opportunity over here. No, we're going to have our antenna up and be ready for that today. So, good stuff. Really interesting in the relationship realm. We are attracting unusual relationships. We may be making unusual changes in our relationships that actually help support and help it grow our relationship with our significant other. It's a great time for new relationships of any kind. Doesn't have to be an intimate relationship. We could make a new friend, and this new friend may come from a space that we never thought about before. So lots of opportunities today on this Monday, but we got to be ready for them, and we got to jump on them if they're offered, because they will not last. So advice for today. Skunk spirit, know your worth. Really important, because we're balancing this fine line between not compromising ourselves but being flexible enough to work with others and to adjust our ideas and our thoughts to bring in the greater whole. So it's a real tricky energy to navigate, but we do need to know our worth, and we do not in any circumstance should we compromise that. Cow spirit, the miracles are endless. Woo! Maybe some unusual miracle happens today with that new love in our life or something like that. Nice. Miracles are endless, especially when we're grateful. And hummingbird spirit, be here now. Like I said yesterday, say today, listen. Listen to the other. Do not sit and look for our own segue, to push our own opinion, to push our own perspective while someone else is presenting their idea. listen. They have something important to offer. And if we are here now listening, we can react from the here and now, and not from some little fantasy that we're playing in the back of our minds of how we've got the magic answer for everything. So, great message for today. I want to come back to Cal, because miracles are everywhere, and all it takes, it's so simple, so powerful. Gratitude. Just be thankful. Be thankful for anything. Make it up if you have to. But be grateful. Be grateful for the challenges we face today. Be grateful for the opportunities we face today. Be grateful for our home, our friends, our family. Be grateful. Miracles will start showering us. No kidding, they will. Have a great Monday. Don't forget to come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat. And if you like what you see on my channel, please like, subscribe, and share. I greatly appreciate it. It supports me in my growth. I appreciate your comments. I look at those seriously, and I've learned a lot from those. Have a great day, and remember the keynote for the Soul Sister channel, life is lived from the inside out. Happy Monday. Namaste. Don't forget to listen.